Hello students. In this video, I will discuss how to draw the front view and top view of this following component. So this is a bracket. Okay, so this is the component, and arrow side is given. From the arrow sides, here you can see this is the arrow side. Okay, so from the arrow side, that is the front view. So in the front view, you can see the 115 dimension is visible and 60 is the height. So length is 115 and 60 is the height, and these shapes you can draw now. So I will first draw the front view. Okay, so just again it is XY line is there. Now I'll take some suitable distance 10 mm from above the XY. I can take, and it will be 115 mm. It is given 115 is the length. I will draw a 115 mm long line. So it is 115 parallel to XY. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. So this is the point. Okay, so this is the 115 mm long line. Now what is there? Now you can see on the right hand side that is 60 is the height and 12 is the width of this rectangular block. Okay, 12 is the width and 60 is the height. Now I will draw this 60 first. Vertical line. So this is 60 and 12 is its width. 12 is its width. So I will again measure 12. So this is 12. Again I have to take height is again 60. So this is, yes. Now you can also join this these two vertical edges, and then what is there in the left hand side? You can see on the left hand side there is a circular block. Okay, semicircular block. Okay, and height is 23. First I will draw the center. Center is 23 and plus 12. Total is 35. So it will be, yes. First I will draw the 12 mm line, and then it will be 23 center. So it will be 12 mm line. Okay, so this is 12 mm. Now parallel to the XY. Okay, and now above this is 23. This height is vertical is 23, and then there is a center, and then you have to draw one radius outside radius, and then inner circle. I will measure 23 here, or I should draw 23 mm long now. 10, 20, and this is 23. Okay, and it is there, and the width will be 50 here. You can see 50, diameter is 50, then block this will be 50 as well. So now I will take 50 mm here. Yes, this is 50. So again 23 I will be drawing. 10, 20, 23. No, yes. Now you have to find out the center. Now it will be 25 from the middle. Okay, because this is 50, and lower base will be 50 as well. Okay, and center will be 25. Okay, so I will measure 25 from here. So this is 50 and 25 is somewhere here. So this is the center. So for that I will draw the center line first. Okay, and this is the center. Okay, now I'll be drawing two outside is diameter 50. Outside, you can see here, outside arc is diameter 50 and inside circle is diameter 25. First I will draw the outside. I will simply take from this. Okay, I will simply take from this. So this is 50. Okay, then I will draw the inside circle as well. Now the inside is 12.5, radius is 12.5. You can see here the inside is 12.5. So 25 is the diameter. I will measure 12.5. 12.5 I will measure. So this is 10, 12, this is 12.5. So I will draw simply a circle here. Okay, so you can also, it should be continuous thick, the line should be continuous thick, and you can also join this edge. Okay, so here you can see this is the front view of this. Okay, thank you. Now I will draw the top view. So you can see, so this is the front view now. You can see this is complete. Now I will draw the top view of this.